how to get refund on Groupon. So first of all, you have to open your Groupon application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So after making sure that here, simply tap on this profile icon, My Stuff. So after doing that here, you'll get to see the option of My Purchases. Simply tap on it. And then here you'll be able to see all of the coupons and vouchers that you have purchased through Groupon. So you'll have to tap on the specific Groupon that you want to get the refund on. After tapping on it here, you have to find your option of Request Refund. So simply tap on Request Refund and then it will lead you to the further process of your refund. So after completing the process, you'll get an email saying that the process has been completed, and it might take about 5 to 10 business days in order to get your refund on Groupon. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.